So if you click this video, I'm pretty sure you were just like me, trying to figure out how to replace these Vanguard Oakley frames. I was in the same boat. So I actually called the Oakley store. They were nice enough to FaceTime me and show me the procedure. So now I want to share the tips and knowledge with you, and hopefully it could do some justice. And just for reference, as you see, I do have the 24 karat gold right here. I have the black frames right here. And currently on the glasses, I have the sapphire. Now this isn't the original. The original is right here, this black one with the white border, but the sapphire is on it right now. They do come in this cool little carrying case right here. Very flexible, very bendable. And a box as well to put this in, but I thought this was pretty cool and pretty different that, again, if you want to travel with it or have multiple of them like I do, this is a cool little way to keep them tucked. They stack on top of each other, and again, you can throw them in your bag. They're pretty small and lightweight. Oakley does have this video as well, but for me, the video was a little too quick and it didn't answer all the questions I had. And again, just for me, maybe you watch that video and everything that you have a question for, it answers immediately and you can knock it out, but I needed a little bit more instructions. So the goal is to get this nose bridge and this nose bridge to disconnect from the frame. And in order way to do that, you have to come behind the nose bridge and you're gonna pretty much pull like you're pulling a trigger. So right behind this nose bridge, you're gonna pull down, and at the same time with this hand, you're gonna pull away. So the goal is to disconnect it from this frame right here. And again, the only real way to do that is from this nose bridge to pull down and from here to pull away. You want to disconnect this part right here. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna pull down, bam. And now it's off, as you see right there. Let's do the same on this side. I'm gonna pull down, bam. There you go. As you can see, the frame is out of the nose bridge, and that's the most important part right there. And as you see, it was the trigger method in order to pull down and pull away. And now that we got the hard part out the way, now it's just the corner part. So now the rest of it, you just, as you can, go down and away, and bam. Well, that side's out. Let's do the same from this side. And I'm just gonna, all right, so cool. Down, pull away, bam, out. So here goes again really quick without no frames attached, and hopefully this makes more sense if it didn't the first time. With your finger, again, like a trigger, you're pulling this nose bridge down like I'm doing right here, and with the frames I'm pulling, with this left hand I'm pulling down at the same time. So pull away with right finger, pull down with the left hand, and that would detach from these nose bridges here. And you do the same from each side, and then unclip is the easy part from the sides. So we took them off first through the nose bridge, but in order to put them back on, you have to put them on from the side first. Okay, now that I kind of got it lined up, I'm just going to force my way in there, and bam, that's clipped there. Hopefully you guys heard the noise. Okay, let's do the same thing to this side. Bam, there you go. Okay, so as you see, the sides just got clipped in. Now it's time to put the nose bridge in front of the frame. Pull down as a trigger, put it in front of it, bam, that's one. Pull down trigger, as a trigger, put in front of it, bam, two. And there we go. Now, of course, clean it off. And again, as I opened it, it turned on. Let me turn this off. Don't want no copyright infringement on YouTube. All right, and there we go. Again, that took me, no BS, in real time. That probably took me under 2 minutes. And I think me trying to hold the lens now for camera-wise, that's what took longer. Once I got it down packed, honestly, probably like 40 seconds to a minute max, I can get this unclipped and paired with the new shades. First time I did this, no lie, maybe 5+ minutes, maybe even 10, but 5 minutes for sure at minimum, because I kept thinking I was gonna break the frame. So again, shout out to that lady at the Oakley store that actually FaceTimed me to reassure me that I wasn't gonna break it. All right, now just and giggles, I'm not even gonna worry about the camera. Let me just knock this out in real time. So, and I'm gonna put the black frames on. All right, I don't know how long that was, but I'm sure I put a timer. I'm sure to put the timer on it, but hopefully that was less than a minute. But again, I didn't worry about the cameras getting the top view and all that, but I did switch it to the black frames. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these black frames. I'm actually gonna go on a bike ride tomorrow morning, so keep these up. But officially signing off. Holla, shit.